Heartily welcome, my dear students. Today we will know about our India, especially Indian forces. So our next chapter 9 is Proud of Indian Forces. The Indian Armed Forces basically consist of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and the paramilitary forces. The Indian Army contributes to the security of land. The Indian Navy contributes to the sea and Indian Air Force, according to its name, flies through the air. The Indian Army is one of the outstanding armies in the world. Ensuring national security and national unity is the main focus of the Indian Army. Our army is fighting against external aggression and internal threats and maintain peace and security within the Indian borders. Except for war and battle against terror, it also conducts humanitarian rescue operations during natural calamities and other disturbances like Operation Surya Hope. You also have heard about the surgical strike conducted by our Indian Army at Uri. Love for our Mother India creates the firm base of the Indian Army. He sacrifices his life for protection of the nation's pride. Every soldier is a true patriot and is always ready to lay down his life in the service of motherland. Our nation's protection and safety are totally depend on our soldiers. So, we all salute our Indian heroes and pay special homage, means special respect to the supreme sacrifice which our army brothers are doing every day at the border. Now, let's start with the textual exercise. Here, in first one picture, you can see Indian Army. India controls the highest battlefield in the world over here. This one is of Siachen Glacier. Here, the temperature may be go down up to the minus 50 degrees Celsius, and in this harsh condition, our soldiers are protecting our motherland. In next one picture, the Indian Army is one of the biggest troop contributes to the United Nations peacekeeping operation. Peacekeeping operation maintain peace and security among people in countries torn by war. They promote human rights and help in ensuring rule of law. This one is of United Nations peacekeeping operation. Here in next one picture, the largest non-ceremonial horse-mounted cavalry unit in the world. This one is called Horsed Cavalry Regiment. Now let's have a quiz time. First one is the most allied military training center of India is High Altitude Warfare School, Army School, Ammunition School or Fighter School. The correct answer is High Altitude Warfare School. Second one is, which of the following bridges is made by the Indian Army? Howrah Bridge, Bailey Bridge, Ganga Bridge or Yamuna Bridge? The correct answer is Bailey Bridge. Third one is, name the civilian operation carried out by the Indian Air Force in Uttarakhand in 2013. Is it Operation Fateh, Operation Jeet, Operation Rahat or Operation Aram? The correct answer is Operation Rahat. We must be proud of the armed forces. They defend our country and Some even lay down their lives for the country. So salute and say Jai Hind. Now we will know about plants and animals. Our next chapter is famous animal safaris. First of all, what is safari? Safari is an organized journey to observe animals in their natural habitat and photograph wildlife. Have you ever enjoyed any safari? Yes? When you go for a safari, remember this slogan, shoot animals with camera, not with gun. We must not shoot or tease any animal. Name the national parks, reserves that you have to collect national parks or reserves that are famous for their animal safaris around the world. Here is one fact. According to the 14th Asiatic Lion Census 2015, the Asiatic lion population is 523, 27% up compared to previous census in 2010, which was only 411. Census means counting of the population of particular animal or people. Now, first one picture over here is of Ecuador of South America. This one picture is of Galapagos National Park. Here, second one picture is of Namibia. This one is Etosha National Park. Here, third one picture is of South Africa. It is the Kruger National Park. Fourth one picture you can see over here of lion. It is of our Gujarat. That is the, Gir National Park. Here in fifth one picture you can see rhinoceros. It is in Assam. The national park's name is Kaziranga National Park. In sixth one picture you can see over here tiger. Here this picture is of Rajasthan of India. This one is Ranthambore National Park. Here in seventh one picture you can see lion. This is of Kenya in East Africa. This one is Masai Mara National Reserve. Here in eighth one picture you can see a crocodile. It is the picture of Tanzania in East Africa. This one is of Serengeti National Park. Here in ninth picture you can see elephants. This is of Botswana. This one is Chobe National Park. Now let's have a quiz time. Which of the following is famous for safaris on horses? Is it India, China, Africa or Australia? The correct answer is Africa. Safari is famous for the luxury tented camp, bird watching, heli skiing or gorilla trekking. The correct answer is luxury tented camp. When we are going to safari, never get too close to any wild animal and do not drive through a herd of animals. They may be dangerous. We must preserve and protect the nature. We must not tease any animals. We must plant more and more trees. If we protect nature, then nature will protect us. Thank you and have a good day.